Hi there guys, welcome to another one of my videos. My name is Ross and today I'm sat in a 2023 Subaru Forester. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to operate the shift lock release on the automatic shifter here. Now this obviously is only useful for the automatic cars and not the manual. So the shift locks there is a safety feature to stop you accidentally knocking the shifter from park into drive, neutral or reverse whilst the engine's running and there's not a driver safely in the driver's seat. So normally to operate the lever, we'll actually put a foot on the brake and we'll be able to move that down whilst pushing in the button on the front there. But regardless, if the car is stationary and there's no driver in the seat with our foot on the brake, you will not be able to move this shifter. And that's again just to stop this accidentally being moved into one of the other positions. However, you may need to move this in times of an emergency if the battery's flat or there's a problem with the car, or you're going to tow it and we need to move it into the neutral position. So most manufacturers actually build in a shift lock release. So this is actually done through this small hole there, and you'll see there's just actually a cap on there just to stop any dirt or debris getting in there. Now we do need a tool to do this, and I've just got the standard screwdriver from the toolkit in the boot. And if you don't know where that is, just open up the boot lid, make sure we lift up the carpet, go under the polystyrene tool holder, and you'll actually find this just near the spare wheel here. And it's a good little screwdriver because it's got a flat head on one side, you can pull it out, turn it around, and it's got a Phillips head on the other. For the sake of this, we're going to leave it onto the flat head side, and we're just going to pop that in and pop off that plastic clip. Nice and simple to do. Just put that somewhere safe because you'll pop that back on after. Now we're actually going to take the screwdriver out of the handle, so you're left with this, and then it doesn't matter which way you put it in, but it is designed for this screwdriver because there is a star there that actually meets the tabs, so you just want to push that all the way down as far as you can. And once that's in that position there, we can actually move this into whatever position you need to, and then once we get to a final position and you've parked up the car, just pop that back into park, and then we can go ahead, remove the screwdriver, and now that shift lock is back on and you can no longer move the shifter. Obviously once you've done it as well, making sure this little black bit of plastic goes back on just to cover that hole. Makes it look neater but stops anything falling in there. And that's how easy it is to operate the shift lock release on a 2023 Subaru Forester. If you found that video interesting or helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.